Ay, ay, ay.
Friends, it's that special time of year. There's leaves on the ground, broke out the flannel. Lumberjack Johnny's back.
You gotta cut that tree down. You wanna do that? You first look for a clear area. This one's small enough that we can follow it right here in this corner. Right. I'm all ready.
Ay, ay, ay.
Got stabbed in the chest.
It was like, that was the quickest tree I've seen come down in a long time.
Yeah, I know. This was very rotten. So this saw made butter out of that tree.
It did.
That was wild.
2 turns on the saw and it started cracking. I'm thinking, holy cow, that sucker's coming down.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought. I started doing the back cut. I heard the. I'm like, oh boy.
Yeah.
That was great. So now we just gotta clean up some of the twigs and some of the logs, and that's it. What do you think? Should I just pile the logs up, or should we just split them? I don't mind putting them in the trailer and take them to your house.